Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. Students, in the previous video, we find out that the mouse get away safely. Today, we have to find out for whom Monto is waiting. So, let us find out. Who is Monto waiting for? Monto cat is waiting for somebody. Do you know for whom he is waiting? That is a trick to find out. Students, in order to find out for whom the Monto cat is waiting, we have to answer all the given questions. Students, it is given to us. Then write all the numbers which can be divided by 2, 3 and 4. Students, so in order to write all the numbers that can be divided by 2, 3 and 4, let us learn the divisibility test by 2, 3 and 4 so that we can easily write all the numbers that can be divisible or divided by 2, 3 and 4. Students, you have to remember that a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit, that is the digit at the ones place of the number, is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. In short, you have to remember that all the even numbers are divisible or divided by 2. For example, 786. Students, the last digit of the number 786 ends in 6. That means 786 is divisible by 2. Now, divisibility test by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all the digits of the number is divisible by 3. For example, 111. Students, let us add the digits of the number 111. Students, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Since the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, therefore the number 111 is also divisible by 3. Now, divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. For example, take the number 736. Consider the last two digits, that is 36, as 36 is divisible by 4. That is 36 is a multiple of 4. Thus, the original number 736 is also divisible by 4. Now, let us solve the given questions, keeping in mind the divisibility rules of 2, 3 and 4, and mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. Mark with a yellow dot all the numbers which can be divided by 3, and mark with a blue dot all the numbers which can be divided by 4. Also, write the numbers that can be divided by 2, 3 and 4. Question A. Mark with a red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. The numbers which can be divided by 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, and so on. Now, question B. Mark with a yellow dot all the numbers which can be divided by 3. The numbers which can be divided by 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, and so on. Now, question C. Mark with a blue dot all the numbers which can be divided by 4. The numbers that can be divided by 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, and so on. Now, question D. Which are the boxes which have dots of all 3 colors? By solving question A, B, and C, it is clear to us that boxes which have dots of all 3 colors, that is, the numbers that are divisible by 2, 3 as well as 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Now, question E. What are the letters on top of those boxes? Write those letters. Letters on the top of these boxes are M, O, U, S, E. So we can say that Montu is waiting for the mouse. Next, Meow Game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle. One player calls out one. The next player says two, and so on. A player has to call out three, or a number which can be divided by three has to say meow instead of the number. One who forgets to say meow is out of the game. The last player left is the winner. Students, in order to play Meow Game, the first player has to say 1. The second player has to say 2, and so on. Students, note that a player has to say meow instead of number 3 or a number which can be divided by 3. Students, if you will forget to say meow, you will be out of game. Students, so in order to play this game and to become a winner, you all have to remember that you all have to replace the numbers that are divisible or divided by 3 by saying meow. So, let us play this game and solve the given questions by saying and writing meow in place of all the numbers that are divided by 3. Thus, the numbers which we replace with meow are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, and so on. Students, do you know the numbers which you all replace with meow are called the multiples of 3? Students, we will write the multiples of some more numbers in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.